The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Coahoma County in northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Tunica County in northwestern Mississippi, Tate County in northwestern Mississippi, Quitman County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Panola County in northwestern Mississippi, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dublin, or near Clarksdale, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lassen, Askew, Coahoma, Garrett's Mill, Bellin, Rudyard, Moon, Buxton, Savage, Dublin, Crossroad, Senatobia, Denton, Falcon, Como, Clarksdale, Sabino, Strayhorn, Richard, and Pleasant Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northwestern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Coahoma, Panola, Quitman, Tate, and Tunica.